How y'all doing? It's time for science. Today is November the 4th, 2020. Yes, I looked to my board right off over there because I have to cheat to look to see what the date is. And I have little cheat notes up there on the board to help me with these videos. Um, let's see a couple of things. Don't make sure that you do your warm ups. Watch this video, of course. And this video is going to be very, very short. It's got basically what we did today in class was we completely went over the chapter 2, section 3 review sheet that you're looking at right here. We're going to say that this thing right here is going to be due on Thursday, which is tomorrow. I'm about to go through there and make it so that it is due on Thursday. I told the kids to turn it in today. So if you have yours complete, get it done, turn it in today. I hope to get it graded today. I'm not going to make a guarantee on that. I'm hoping to get a lot of things graded today because we're here at the end of the school day right now. It's 3 o'clock, and I'm hoping to finish up making the test, the cell organelle test, here in just a few minutes. That test will be on Friday, and I'm also hoping to get some things graded and back in y'all's hands today because I'm a little bit behind on grading. So today we went over the Chapter 2, Lesson 3 review sheet. We completed it all, and folks turned it in today. So get yours turned in. If you can't turn it in today, turn it in tomorrow. Teachers. All right, sorry, we had an interruption, a little bit of an announcement need to be made. So, turn in Chapter 2, Lesson 3. It will be for a grade. Get it turned in as soon as possible. Now, let's talk about what's coming up here. You are going to be having a organelle test. And the organelle test is going to be covering items on these sheets right here. Now, you should have been studying these. I know some of you have been working on them and you've been turning them in. You need to know what these items are. You need to know that this is a vacuole. You need to know that these are chloroplast. You need to know that these are mitochondria, number 3. 4 is cytoplasm. Number 5 is the nucleus. 6, the chromatin inside. Number 7, you need to know that that's the cell membrane, the innermost layer. The outermost layer is the cell wall. And you need to know the definitions for each one of these. So those are in your textbook. You can look them up. You can find them. The chromatin, number 6, the definition that you need to know is that it is a genetic material. It's DNA. Now, the rest of these, we have looked up the definitions, and you should be studying them and you should know them. This test is going to be on Friday, and the animal cell is going to be on Friday as well. Now, the animal cell has the exact same organelles as the plant cell, except it is missing 2. So you should know what it looks like. All right, and you should know what's on the inside. And if you are in advanced classes, you will need to know the organelle by identifying it, and you will need to be able to give a description of what its definition is. So be ready for that on Friday. That test is 24 questions. It will be the first test of this new 9 weeks. So it is vitally important, if you are in regular or advanced classes, that you are prepared for this test on Friday. It will be online. Now, next week, Monday, we're hoping for Monday will be the Chapter 2 section, or the Chapter 2 test on vocabulary. You should be studying all vocabulary. I've been saying that for a while now. You should be studying all these vocabulary terms. So you need to be studying them, getting ready for the test. Now, if you study these cell vocabulary terms, it will help you for the overall test, which will be on Monday or Tuesday of next week. So studying for the organelle test will help you also to study for next week's test as well. All right. Now, today we also studied, we just barely began to study this right here, the Chapter 2, Section 4. All right. In fact, I only gave one definition, one or two definitions for each class. I'm not even going to start that right now. We will go over that tomorrow. What you need to worry about right now is getting that chapter 2, lesson 3 review sheet in and studying for your organelle test. I hope you have a great day. Email me if you have any questions. We'll talk to you later.